Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by finding where packets die. Run traceroute now and note the exact hop where TTL expired. That tells you the problematic hop. Once done, confirm the source TTL value and whether any VPN or tunnel is forcing a low TTL. Make sure to capture repeating IPs or quick hop cycles because repeating addresses mean a routing loop. Save the traceroute output. You will use it to isolate the router or firewall that is misbehaving. Now you dig into the middle. Log into the routers along the failed hop and inspect routing tables. Look for routes that point back to each other, static prefixes that override dynamic paths, or missing next hops. Check firewall and NAT rules that might rewrite TTL or forward incorrectly, and verify tunnel endpoints like gre/isec do not clamp TTL. For diagnostics, send pings with varying TTL values and finish by implementing the corrective action you identified. Remove or correct static routes, update BGP/OSP metrics, or fix tunnel endpoints so packets progress normally. If a firewall or iptables rule is altering TTL, modify or remove that rule. You can also use iptables TTL targets to set a safe value temporarily. Once changes are applied, run traceroute to confirm the path no longer shows TTL expired and monitor traffic for a day or two. If problems persist, flush ARP/neighbor caches and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.